Okay, we're at Frito-Lay today. We're going to go over the CDSU tool software. So you first of all will install the CDSU software from the folder I will provide, and it's on our website too. And double click on the CDSU software, hit the execute command, and then it will be installed on your laptop. Hopefully IT will give you permission to install it. Always check with them. And when it's installed, you'll get a nice icon on your computer desktop. It's called CDSU tool. You double click it. It will come up. And the first thing you have to do is load the IODD file of the SDAT, which is our sensor that we're going to be putting on the round cylinders here. So basically you go to File, Open, IODD file. Again, it'll be in your Frito-Lay folder here, IODD files. And you'll be using the SDAT MHS-M50, which is a 50 millimeter reading sensor. We click on that and click Open. Okay, so it gives you a picture of your sensor. The wiring you don't have to worry about because we have all the M8 connectors to screw into, so it will wire into your old M8 sensor. Minimize identify. You're going to the specialist role here. And first thing we have to do is connect to the sensor. We're going to click connect. And when we click connect, we get a solid green here that we have connected to the sensor through IO-Link. So we are programming through IO-Link, but we will not be using IO-Link on the sensor. It will be a single output here. And we scroll down, and what we want to go to is BDC1, our binary data channel. Again, we're under the specialist user role. We click window comparator. We write the window comparator. And after we write, it comes up with the positions, and these will be in millimeters. So this will be a 0 to 50 millimeter sensor, and we've got the sensor mounted at the extend end cap, which we'll have instructions for, a picture showing you how to mount the sensor. And basically, you would put your sensing range that you want a solid output to the PLC. And what we're going to use is 35 millimeters. And we're going to go with 50 millimeters. So in this range of 35 to 50 millimeters, you will have an output to the PLC saying the cylinder is extended, ready to, it's in place and the gate's shut. What we'll do is click Write All, and this is downloaded to our sensor. We can observe the readings here. We go under observation, and then we're at 44.83 millimeters. So we are on. We look at binary channel BDC1, shows you the sensor output is on. If I back off below 35 millimeters, it went off. As I approach 35 millimeters very slowly, it comes on and stays on all the way to 50 millimeters. And that's how we get an extended window comparator output with this. And then we are set to, and you can also, now when you're looking at the sensor, the yellow light won't come on. We have a yellow LED on our sensor that shows output, but when you're connected via IO-Link, it does not show that. It only shows this on and off. You can disconnect from the software, and then you can visually watch the yellow sensor come on and off for that position range. while you're plugged into the laptop. One thing I did forget is you do have to use a USB connection to our IO link tool, which we'll have a picture of with a video on there. Also, you can save this file. And I will call it Festo SDAT. I'll put the range of 35 millimeters to 50 millimeters. Okay, I'll save that. Okay, so if you have to program multiples and you're going to use the same range, all you would have to do is connect, load the file, click open, and when you load it, all you have to do is click write all when you connect. Actually, you should connect first, then load the file. Sorry. Connect first, then go to file, and then load file. Open. Then you will have something called write all, and it will write it. Since I've already got a program, it will write all the parameters we just saved to the controller, and you'll be done. So that concludes the CDSU software tool. Please play with it, and hopefully it'll help you out in programming sensors.